Englo dust and odor control systems deliver trusted and superior process ventilation performance results from mining, power utility, tunneling operations, and heavy industrial projects. The results are based on our turnkey design. Fabrication and installation of Englo wet dust extraction technology are for safer control of combustible dust. Our products have proven odor destruction with AeroPure dust suppressant and molecular odor destruction reagent. Englo wet dust extractors are compact, rugged, and reliable dust separators operating in hundreds of installations, including tunneling construction, underground mining, tripper rooms, railcar dumpers, transfer stations, crusher buildings, reclaim tunnels, and many others. Englo-affiliated companies provide other important services, such as EMI Control's misting cannons, Probe America misting dust and odor control fans, optimal filtration dewatering technology, Geo-Wheel washer systems, Air Dynamics Industries design and fabrication of fan casings, chutes, ductwork, custom dust collection systems, platforms, specialty machinery, main mine fans, underground mine and tunnel ventilation systems. Make the best decision you have all year by choosing Englo. To learn more, visit engloinc.com or contact a specialist directly at 304-253-0777.